Hello and welcome to McKinsey Productivity Principles. In this course, I'm going to show you the basics of how to gain the skills of a McKinsey consultant. I'll walk you through a set of problem-solving tools and methodologies to help you make better decisions. Whether your problem is big or small, we all set goals for ourselves, face challenges, and strive to overcome them. But what you might not know is there's an easy way to consistently arrive at effective and satisfying solutions. There's a universal and fundamental approach to solving problems that is widely used in top consulting firms to solve the most pressing business problems. I'll also show you how to manage yourself like a professional management consultant in an elite firm. We'll cover some things to keep in mind when you're managing time, interacting with clients, and leading an engagement team. Finally, I'll show you the tips and techniques to succeed in management, consulting interviews, and help you land your dream job. It's a lot to learn, so let's get started.